Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus. You know, one of the great things about StudioLive Series III mixers is that you can take advantage of the many presets we've installed for you. You can use these in your shows or as a jumping off point to edit and then save them as your own custom presets. Let's take a look at how to load a PreSonus Fat Channel preset and then save it as your own on a Series 3 mixer using the console work surface. Here we see the console's Fat Channel section along with the touchscreen and the tops of some of the channels. I've already named channel 9 as Bass. To add a bass preset, I simply select the channel, hit the Load button, then I can scroll through all of my presets. To make this even quicker, I can select the guitar drop-down, and that will narrow down my search. I select any of the electric bass presets, hit the Recall button below the touchscreen, and my preset is loaded. Now let's make a custom preset. For this example, I'll change the EQ a bit, then I'll hit the Save button in the Fat Channel section. I'll select the guitar drop-down, scroll down to an empty location, hit Store, give it a name, and then hit Enter. When I hit Save, my custom bass preset is stored in the mixer and loaded on channel 9. To delete a preset, I'll hit Load, scroll down to the one I want to delete, select it, hit the X to the right side of the button, confirm, and it's gone. A super quick workflow allowing you to take advantage of our presets and then making them your own. It's just another way StudioLive Series 3 mixers give you all the power you need for your live shows and recordings. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.